The Battle of Uhud, a pivotal event in early Islamic history, took place in 625 CE near the city of Medina, marking a significant confrontation between the Muslim community led by Prophet Muhammad and the Quraysh tribe of Mecca. The battle followed the Battle of Badr, where the Muslims had achieved. In the lead-up to the battle, the Quraysh sought revenge for their defeat at Badr and assembled a sizable army, including skilled fighters and warriors from various tribes. Prophet Muhammad, aware of the impending threat, gathered around 700 of his followers, primarily from the city of Medina, to go. The battle began with an initial success for the Muslim army, as they managed to repel the Quraysh attack. However, a crucial tactical error occurred when a group of Muslim archers, stationed on a nearby hill to guard against a potential enemy flank, disobeyed Muhammad's orders to hold their position. Seeing this opportunity, Khalid ibn al-Walid, a skilled commander who later converted to Islam, led a contingent of Quraysh cavalry in a surprise attack on the exposed Muslim flank. This maneuver caused confusion and disarray among the Muslim ranks. Despite valiant efforts by Muhammad and his company, realizing the precarious situation, Muhammad managed to rally his remaining forces and retreat to the safety of Mount Uhud. Although the Quraysh did not pursue the Muslims further, the battle resulted in a setback for the Muslim community, both militarily and psychologically. However, it was not a D. In the aftermath of the Battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad and his followers focused on regrouping and strengthening their defenses. The battle served as a crucial lesson in military strategy and discipline for the Muslims, emphasizing the importance of unity, obedience, and steadfastness in the face. The Battle of Uhud, a pivotal event in early Islamic history, took place in 625 CE near the city of Medina, marking a significant confrontation between the Muslim community led by Prophet Muhammad and the Quraysh tribe of Mecca. The battle followed the Battle of Badr, where the Muslims had achieved. As tensions between the Muslims and the Quraysh simmered in the aftermath of Badr, the Quraysh sought vengeance and amassed a formidable force comprising warriors from various tribes. Prophet Muhammad, cognizant of the impending threat, gathered around 700 of his followers, primarily from the city. The Muslim army positioned themselves strategically at the Mount Uhud, with Muhammad devising a defensive plan to counter the Quraysh attack. However, despite Muhammad's instructions to a group of archers stationed on a nearby hill to hold their position and protect the Muslim rear, they disobeyed. Exploiting this critical lapse in the Muslim defense, Khalid ibn al-Walid, a renowned Quraysh commander, led a contingent of cavalry in a surprise assault on the exposed Muslim flank. The sudden attack caused confusion and disarray among the Muslim ranks, leading to casualties and loss of momentum. Despite the chaos, Prophet Muhammad and his companions displayed remarkable courage and resilience, rallying their forces to withstand the Quraysh onslaught. The battle raged fiercely, with intense hand-to-hand combat and skirmishes across the battlefield. Tragically, the Muslims suffered significant losses, including the death of several key figures such as Muhammad's uncle, Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, a revered warrior and early convert to Islam. The loss of Hamza was particularly poignant, dealing a heavy blow to the morale of the Muslim forces. Recognizing the precarious situation, Muhammad led a strategic retreat to the safety of Mount Uhud, regrouping his remaining forces and consolidating their defenses. The Quraysh, despite their tactical advantage, did not pursue the Muslims further, perhaps wary of the unpredictable terrain and the Battle of Uhud, while a setback for the Muslim community, was not a decisive victory for the Quraysh. Despite the losses suffered, the Muslims maintained their stronghold in Medina and preserved their unity in the face of adversity. In the aftermath of the battle, Muhammad and his companions reflected on the lessons learned, emphasizing the importance of discipline, unity, and adherence to strategic plans in warfare. The event served as a sobering reminder of the perils of disobedience and the need for steadfastness in the face. Despite the setbacks at Uhud, the Muslim community persevered. Emboldened by their faith and unwavering commitment to the cause of Islam, the battle underscored the resilience of the Muslim faith and the enduring legacy of Prophet Muhammad, a leader and strategist. In the years following Uhud, the Muslim community continued to grow and consolidate its position in the Arabian Peninsula, laying the groundwork for the expansion of Islam beyond the borders of Arabia. The Battle of Uhud remains etched in the annals of Islamic history, a testament to the trials and tribulations faced by the early Muslim community and their unwavering resolve in the face of adversity. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by those who fought alongside Prophet Muhammad. Ultimately, the Battle of Uhud exemplifies the complex interplay of human agency, strategy, and divine providence in shaping the course of history. It stands as a poignant reminder of the challenges faced by the early Muslims on their path to establishing Islam as a dominant force in the Arabian Pen. Despite the initial setback caused by the breach of the defensive line by the Quraysh cavalry, the Muslim archers who abandoned their positions, and the subsequent chaos that ensued, pockets of resistance persisted among the Muslim ranks. Small groups of Muslim fighters continued to display valor, and Prophet Muhammad himself played a crucial role in rallying the remaining Muslim forces and organizing a strategic withdrawal to the slopes of Mount Uhud. His leadership and composure in the face of adversity inspired confidence among his followers and prevented a complete collapse of the Muslim defense. As the battle raged on, both sides sustained heavy casualties. Among the Quraysh, despite their tactical advantage, there were notable losses as well, including some prominent figures. However, the overall momentum of the battle favored the Quraysh, owing to the disruption caused by the breach of the retreat of the Muslim forces to the slopes of Mount Uhud provided a temporary respite from the Quraysh onslaught. Muhammad and his companions took advantage of the natural terrain to regroup and reassess their strategy for the ongoing conflict. In the aftermath of the battle, Prophet Muhammad and his companions tended to the wounded and mourned the loss of their fallen comrades. The death of Hamza, in particular, was deeply felt by the Muslim community, as he was not only a beloved uncle of Muhammad, but also one of the earliest converts too. Despite the tactical setback at Uhud, the Muslim community remained steadfast in their commitment to the cause of Islam. The battle served as a crucible, forging a stronger sense of unity and resolve among the believers, who drew inspiration from the sacrifices made on the battlefield. In the days following the Battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad and his companions conducted a series of strategic maneuvers to safeguard the city of Medina and prevent further incursions by the Quraysh. These efforts included fortifying defensive positions, strengthening alliances with neighboring tribes. The Battle of Uhud, while a sobering experience for the Muslims, also provided valuable lessons in military strategy and preparedness. It highlighted the importance of discipline, coordination, and adherence to command in times of crisis, lessons that would shape the future conduct of Muslim military. In the broader context of Islamic history, the Battle of Uhud serves as a reminder of the challenges and trials faced by the early Muslim community as they sought to establish and defend their faith in the face of opposition. It underscores the resilience and determination of the believers, who ultimately, the Battle of Uhud did not mark the end of the struggle for the Muslims. Rather, it served as a catalyst for further consolidation and expansion of Islam in the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. The resilience displayed by Prophet Muhammad and his companions in the aftermath of Uhud laid the one significant aspect of the Battle of Uhud was the role of individual companions of Prophet Muhammad. Despite the chaos and adversity on the battlefield, many companions displayed extraordinary bravery and steadfastness. For example, Ali ibn Abi Talib, later to become the fourth caliph of Islam. Another notable figure during the Battle of Uhud was Mus'ab ibn Umair, an early convert to Islam and a close companion of Prophet Muhammad. Mus'ab played a crucial role in spreading the message of Islam in Medina before the Battle of Badr. During Uhud, he fought valiantly and ultimately sacrificed The aftermath of the Battle of Uhud also saw efforts to reconcile and heal the wounds within the Muslim community. Prophet Muhammad emphasized forgiveness and reconciliation, urging his followers to put aside their differences and unite against external threats. This spirit of reconciliation helped. The Battle of Uhud had broader implications beyond the immediate military confrontation. It shaped the socio-political landscape of early Islamic society and influenced subsequent developments in Medina and the Arabian Peninsula. The lessons learned from Uhud contributed to the formulation of straight. Moreover, the Battle of Uhud highlighted the importance of learning from mistakes and adapting to changing circumstances. The breach of the defensive line by the Muslim archers served as a stark reminder of the consequences of disobedience and complacency in warfare. Prophet Muhammad and his company. In the years following the Battle of Uhud, the Muslim community underwent a process of introspection and renewal. Efforts were made to address the shortcomings revealed during the battle and strengthen the defensive capabilities of the Muslim army. These efforts laid the groundwork for the subsequent. Overall, the Battle of Uhud occupies a central place in Islamic history as a pivotal moment of trial and tribulation for the early Muslim community. It serves as a testament to the resilience, courage, and determination of Prophet Muhammad and his companions in the face of adversity, and continues to